Hi, this is Raman. Welcome to another episode of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In today's episode, we'll take a look at a triple top trade setup. A triple top trade setup is a bearish reversal trade setup. This is where price has gone into a key support and resistance level 3 times. It's tested a level 3 times, and when price does that, chances are really high that it's going to drop from there. So let's go on to the charts and we'll take a look at what a triple top trade setup looks like, what to pay attention to when taking this type of a trade, and how to book a profit using a triple top trade setup. Here we're looking at a triple top trade setup. This is EuroCAD 30-minute chart. A triple top trade setup is when price comes into resistance level and then rejects A triple top trade setup is when price comes into a resistance level and then rejects that level 3 times. In this case, we can see that price went up here, went into our resistance level here, and then pushed off of that, then tried the same level once again, but failed, and tried the same level the 3rd time. And as we can see here in this case, each test is a little bit lower, which is a good indication that price is likely to drop because it does not have as much momentum. So once we see this here, we can take a setup after. Once we see this test here after the engulfing candle here, we can take our short. So we enter the trade short after this red candle close here. Our stop would go on the other side of this pin here, just in case price wants to come and test this level once again. And we enter the trade short here, and then we stay with the trade. And as we can see, price drops rather quickly there and then tries to come back into the same level here. But as we can see, price does not have as much momentum here. So after this bullish candle close, we can exit the trade out, or after this bullish engulfing candle close here, we can exit the trade, because as we can see, as much as price has been trying to move lower, it is failing. So this is a good indication that it can now pull back. So this is a good level for us to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 66 pips in our trade. So just to recap here, a triple top trade setup is when price hits the resistance 3 times and fails to break through. Once we see this bearish engulfing candle close here, we can enter our trade short. Our stop would go on the other side of this pin here, just in case price comes and tests this level once again. We enter the trade short here, and then we stay with the trade as price drops. And here we see that price is trying to go lower, but for several hours here, it's not able to do so. So once we get this bullish engulfing candle close here, or this one here, this is a good time for us to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 66 pips in our trade. So our profit is 66 pips, or $660 when trading 1 standard lot. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and like, comment, and subscribe below. That's it for today, and I'll be back with another episode very soon.